Have you ever wondered how a beloved character can be reimagined after the original actor's untimely passing? As fans of the Star Wars universe eagerly await the next chapter of Ahsoka, a significant change is on the horizon. Um, Before diving into the details, a friendly reminder to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Your support means a lot. In the upcoming season of Star Wars Ahsoka, a familiar face from Game of Thrones will step into the shoes of a character that many have come to love. Uh, the role of Balin Skull, previously portrayed by uh, the late Ray Stevenson, will now be taken on by Rory McCann, known for his iconic role as the Hound. Ray Stevenson's performance as Balin Skull was a highlight of the first season, earning him widespread acclaim. Um, and tragically, he passed away in May 2023, just months before the series premiered on Disney Plus. Jay Disney. Uh, this left the creators with the challenge of resolving Balin's storyline, which was left hanging at the end of the first season. Reports confirm that Rory McCann will be taking over the role, although Lucasfilm has yet to announce when filming for season 2 will begin. The speculation suggests that production might kick off in April 2025, with Dave Filoni returning as showrunner and writer. And the adds to the excitement surrounding his casting, his profits in his actor levels of these. However, he has big shoes to fill. Given Stevenson's remarkable legacy, fans are hopeful that McCann, who was a friend of Stevenson, will honor his predecessor's work and deliver a memorable performance. As we look forward to Ahsoka Season 2, it's clear that the journey of Balin Skull will continue in a new light. If a Jedi can come back from the dark side, surely an actor can step into a role with grace. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, thanks. Thanks.